Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll talk about how to obtain the best results. Best results in your exams, board exams, in your careers and professions, etc. So we do get results or expect to get results in all things we do in our lives. In one kind of work, we get the instant results then and there. Okay, but in other kinds of work where big result is expected by putting efforts, lots of efforts for long period of time, such as academic results, passing the exams, board exams, your aim in life, what are you going to become in your life, or the targets in your life, financial endeavors like entrepreneurship, organizational goals, social reforms, and political changes. So, for remarkable outcome, for big results from such great endeavors, definitely some kind of mechanism is in operation. So, scientists or the philosophers explain this as mind science or belief system. They regard this as belief system. It is the belief system who we are. We reflect belief system in our attitudes. We behave according to our belief system, and belief system gives us outcome in our life. According to belief system, we'll have results in our life, right? Actually, belief system is subconscious mind where thoughts are stored in the dormant form. Thoughts have become residue. Okay, these have settled down, these have become crystallized or solidified in subconscious mind, which makes up our belief system, right? Actually, belief system is fed by the thoughts we have in our day-to-day lives, the functional unit of our brain, right? That is conscious mind. Okay, we right now you are watching this video and you are listening to me, and your conscious mind is working, your thinking brain is at work, your conscious mind is working right now, and because of this you have thoughts in your brain, right? So this is the conscious mind level. This conscious mind level is a lot when we are, as long as we are awake, we are doing things, we are seeing, we are hearing, we are doing activities in our lives. Okay, so we get thoughts in our conscious mind, in our thinking brain, because of informations we collect from our environment, from the outer world. Okay, our five senses, the sense of the eyes, ears, nose, smell, touch, these five senses are collecting informations from our environment, and these are, these five senses are receiving the information from our environment, and these informations are given to our thinking brain, to our conscious mind, where thoughts are created. Okay, thoughts are made. So you see, at this point we need to be a little bit careful, because what kind of informations we are putting into our conscious mind, in our thinking brain, these are going to be thoughts, and these thoughts are going to get solidified in our belief system. These thoughts are going to be permanent in our belief system, and according to belief system we are going to have results in our lives. So the most important thing is, you are exposing yourself to which kind of environment. That is very, very important. So you need to select the informations, you need to choose your environment to expose yourself. So at this point we need to be sensible, we need to be wise to choose this informations and the environment for ourselves. So we need to rely upon our true wisdom at this point. Okay, we need to work from the true wisdom. So because you see, these informations are going to give us results in our real life. Yes, so besides this two levels of mind, conscious mind and subconscious mind, there is one more level of mind, that is superconscious mind. Superconscious mind level is the place where there is true wisdom. Okay, actually this is the source of all kind of awareness in our lives. Awareness means you are knowing what are you doing right now. Okay, we eat, we sleep, we study, we do our things, and we know about it. Okay, that is called awareness. Okay, to know what you are doing, that is awareness, right? So superconscious mind is the source of all kind of awareness in our lives. Okay, actually this is the center of creativity. Whenever you have highly creative ideas, these ideas arise from superconscious mind. Okay, highly creative ideas are, these are made in superconscious mind, and from superconscious mind these ideas are given to conscious mind or our thinking brain, and from conscious mind these go to belief system, and these ideas become permanent in our belief system or get confirmed in belief system, and out of that the extraordinary results are made in our life, real life, right? So actually superconscious mind is equated with higher intelligence. Higher intelligence means the intelligence level which is higher than our human level. Okay, this is supernatural level of consciousness, right? Whenever a person is at this level of consciousness, the person thinks extraordinary. Okay, extraordinarily supernatural level, right? And the person does not have any kind of evil aspects when the superconscious mind is in action, whenever the person is at the level of superconscious mind. So these are the different levels of consciousness in our mind, and according to that we have thoughts, we have belief system in us, and on the basis of this belief system we produce results in our day-to-day life. So you see, in order to have best results in our life, we need to select the informations we are feeding into our brain or input into our brain. Okay, and these informations are going to be permanent thoughts, belief system in us, and we are going to have the results. So this is the way to have best results in our day-to-day life. So wish you good luck